Good afternoon, students. So, today we have learned the new topic, the new lesson. The name of the lesson is The Bremen Town Musicians. Now, in the story, we are going to learn about the animals who have been kicked out by the masters. So, to earn for their food what work they are doing, we are just going to see in this lesson. So, now we will begin with the lesson. Once there was a donkey who had worked long and hard for his master. Now he had grown weak and could not do much work. So his master began to treat him unkindly. He even began to starve the donkey. He wanted to save the money he spent on the donkey's food. In the end, the poor donkey left the house. He believed he still had a good, strong singing voice, so he decided to go to Bremen town and earn his living as a town musician. So, students, here in this story, the main character is of the donkey. Now, there was a donkey, he used to work with his master for a very long time, and the donkey was very hard working. Now, the donkey has grown old and he has become very weak, and now he was not able to do much of his work. So his master, he started treating very unkindly with the donkey. He was not happy with the donkey because the donkey was not working now. He has become very weak. So the master, he was not giving food to the donkey because now he wanted to leave the donkey. So, in the end, the poor donkey became very sad, and then he decided that he is going to leave the house and he is going to go to the Bremen town to become a musician. Musician means now he is going to start singing because the donkey thinks that he is a good singer. So, he can leave the house of his master and he can go to the new town and start his singing business. On the way, he met an old dog. He too had been kicked out of the house by a cruel master. The dog was afraid. How will I earn my bread? He said. So now, when the donkey was going by road, he met an old dog. He asked the old dog that why you are out. So the old dog said, I have been kicked out by my cruel master. Cruel means very bad. And the dog, he is telling that now I am very afraid because I don't know that how I am going to earn for my food. Why you have a voice as good as mine, said the donkey. Let us go to the Bremen and sing for the townspeople. We shall be well paid there. So the two companions went on together. Suddenly they heard a cat mewing sadly with tears in his eyes. Why are you crying? They asked. Now when the donkey, he met the dog, he said to the dog, that dog, you are having so good voice, so I think so we both can do the business of singing. We will go to the Bremen town and we will start singing over there and we will start earning. So they both started walking. When they were walking, they saw that there was one cat, and that cat was mewing and crying because she was sad. So the dog and the donkey, they asked the cat that what has happened. How can I be happy knowing that my mistress is going to drown me? I am old and would only like to sit by the fire and sleep. I cannot catch mice as I did before, so my mistress does not need me any more. Where am I to go? Now the cat is telling that I am not happy because my mistress means master. What is the female of master? Mistress means the lady who used to look after the cat. She is going to throw the cat away because the cat has become very weak and old. And now when she is weak and old, she only likes to sit beside the fire and she only likes to sleep. But now she was not able to catch the mice as she was used to catch it before. So her mistress is going to throw her out. That's why she is very sad and she is crying. Come with us to Bremen. You have a sweet voice and you know my night music. You too can be a town musician, said the donkey. Now, the donkey suggested the cat that she should also come to Bremen and the three of them will start a musician band and they three will become singers. Now the three travelled together for some time till they came upon a farmyard. They heard a cock's loud wailing. When they made inquiries, the cock told them, "My mistress is preparing a feast for a guest. She has told the cook to kill me for the feast. I am so frightened." So the donkey invited the cock too to join the band of musicians. Now, when they four were going, they saw that there is one cock. And the cock is wailing, means she is also crying. Why she is crying? She was crying because her mistress was going to cook her for the party. So she is frightened and she also want to leave the house. So the donkey is telling that you can come and you can also join a band of musicians. Bremen was still a long way away. On the way they had to cross a forest. As it began to get dark, the cock flew to the top of a tree to look around for shelter. He saw an old house among the trees. The four friends decided to rest there for the night. Now, when they were going to Bremen, the Bremen town was still very long. And when they were going to Bremen, they had to cross the forest. Now it has become very dark. The night has started and it was very dark. So they thought that they will wait in the forest, they will take a shelter, and in the morning they will again start walking. So they saw an old house and they decided that they will wait for the night in the house. It was quite dark by the time they had reached the house. Through the window they saw some robbers feasting at a large table inside. The animals had a clever idea. Why not give their first performance here? The robbers would be so pleased that they would happily share their food with the four musicians. They might even pay them for their performance. Now, when these animals they came near the house, they saw that in the house there were robbers, and the robbers they were doing party. So these animals thought that they will start their first performance in the house. And after the performance, the robbers will be very happy by the performance and they will even share their food with the animals, they thought. And they also thought that they will give money for the performance. So the donkey placed his four legs on the window ledge. The dog jumped on the donkey's back and the cat on the dog's. The cock perched on the cat's head. Then all at once and all together they began to sing their wonderful song. So the donkey, what he did? He put up his legs on the window, and on the donkey there was the dog, and on the dog cat was standing, and on the cat hen was standing, cock was standing. So they all started with the singing performance. Strangely, the music only frightened the robbers. They only heard a terrible noise and saw the huge shadow cast by the animals together. They sprang from the table and, taking to their heels, disappeared into the forest. The four friends were puzzled, but they gladly sat down at the table and had a hearty dinner. Then they put out the light and went to sleep. Now, when these four animals started singing, the robbers, they did not enjoy the performance, but they only got frightened. And they were seeing that there was a very huge shadow and they got very frightened. So what the robbers did? The robbers, they did not even see what the animals are singing. They got frightened, wo dar gaye, and they continued doing their party. They had their dinner, they had their food, and after that when they had their food, they switched off the light and they went to sleep. The donkey on the straw in the yard, the cat near the stove, the dog on the doormat, and the cock on the beam of the roof. Now where was the donkey? The donkey was in the yard, and the cat was standing near the stove, the dog was standing on the doormat, and the cock was on the roof of the house. Now the robbers had not gone very far. The leader saw the house become dark and quiet. So he sent a man to see it was safe to go back to the house. The robbers had kept all their stolen riches in that house and they wanted back. So now the robbers, they became very afraid. They was very afraid because they saw this shadow. So the robbers, they went away from the house. They thought that some ghost is there. So they got frightened and they left the house. And when the robbers leaders, he saw that the house has become dark and it has become quiet. So what he did? He sent the man from his group and he told that just go and see the house whether it is safe or not to go back to the house, so that we can take all our gold which we have stolen. The man went into the house on tiptoe. He saw the cat's eyes and thought they were burning coals. He tried to pick up one to light his candle, but it frightened the cat. The angry cat flew at him and scratched his face. This frightened the robber. He turned to run out of the house. Now when the man, he was coming on his toes so that there was no noise. So when he came in the house, he saw that they were burning coals. So the man thought that he will light the candles and he will see that who is there. But because of this, the cat got frightened, and what she did, she became very angry and she scratched on the face of the robber with her nails. So because of this, the robber became very afraid and he left the house and ran away. As he ran, the dog on the doormat bit his leg hard. He stumbled and fell on the donkey. The donkey, woken up suddenly, gave the robber a smart kick with his hind legs. And all this while the cock had been screaming cock-a-doodle-doo in his ears and flapping his wings around his head. The robber nearly died of fright. Now the donkey was sleeping and only the cat was scratching with her nails on the robber's face. So because of this, the dog on the doormat, who was standing on the doormat, he bit the leg of the robber. And because of this, the robber fell on the donkey's body. So the donkey, he also woke up from his sleep, and what he did, he kicked the robber with his leg. And what was the cock doing? The cock was shouting very badly in the ears of the robber. Because of this, the robber got very frightened and he was nearly to die. वो तो डर डर के मर जाता था, इतना उसे डरा दिया था. So he was very frightened and very afraid. Somehow he got back to his gang. In a trembling voice, he told them that the house was full of monsters and deadly creatures who bite and scratch and kicked and attacked you in the dark. Now the robber who went inside, he is telling that the house is full of ghosts and there are bad creatures who are. So now the robber, he said that the house is full of bad creatures and they kill and scratch you. So the robbers never went back to the house. The four friends found enough money in the house to live on there in happiness and comfort. That is why the musicians never went to Bremen. Now the robbers, they also got very frightened and they decided that they will not go back to the house. Now the four friends, which four friends? Donkey, dog, cat and cock. They become very happy and they found enough of money so that they can enjoy and live there very comfortably. Because of this, these four friends never went to the Bremen's town. So this was the story of the three friends, that how they were together and they fought against the robbers and now they are living happily. So complete the worksheets which I will send you. We will meet in the next online class with a new lesson. Till that time, take care of yourself and be safe at home. Thank you.